Tu vas me faire une photo avec les...
French in 1812, but was built in the 1780s. It was situated overlooking the St. Lawrence River. And then it was moved here in 57.
Hello. Hi there. How are you folks? Hey.
I'll tell you a little bit about the village as we go around. So this first building that's on our left, this is Robertson House. Come on, girl. And the person working for him would live just behind his house in that nice white barn. Right next door, he's got the general goods store. That's Chrysler's general goods store. In there, they'd sell things like sugars and spices. They'd also sell hinges and nails. Also rope. They'd buy things in bulk and they'd sell that, just as we needed it here in the village. That red building, that's our bakery. So in there, they do about 2 bakes a day. And we use it here in the village. We don't sell the bread just yet. We did earlier this year, but no longer. Right next door to the bakery, we actually have our Willard's Hotel. That was a stop along the stagecoach line. So if you can imagine riding in a wagon. And this big field here on my left, that's where we're growing red wheat. And that, we had to hand sow it ourselves, so we had our horses go by and fill it in some of the dish. A lot of cheap goods. So it was a cargo boat, not necessarily a passenger boat. So a toast cow could be pulled along the St. Lawrence. You could get one or multiple toast cows pulled. So in that signal tower, they send a different colored flag, different numbers of flags, and that would communicate to the next signal tower, and the next one, and the next one. And they go over a lot that you were having to pay for, and you're releasing the lot basically. Find different ways to pay for it, maybe not just through money, but you might work with the farmer, and you might want a percentage of your corn, maybe some of your produce. And you would keep that for I know they get some good food when they come in. We had, you can see one of our pigs. She's poking up just over the side there. Oh, she just ducked down. But she's there. That's where we grow our hops. So if you have any beer drinkers on board. On my left, this is our cabinet maker. You have to be able to read and write quite quickly and quite well.
rahat söyle. Allora.
Sorry, jag får en tomat.
Bed. We just don't really do that because it's quite old and it's really hard to hook back up. So you see those hooks there? Those unhook, we'll keep them hooked.
Ouais. Merci beaucoup.
There's more space to travel. Exactly. It was something that really they just wouldn't do.
Des chevaux. تبغى الفيلم
So we sew everything by hand. Yeah, we make all the holes first. C'est quoi ça? Ça vient de l'Algérie. Ah,
Kabylie.
Kabylie.
Okay.
Plus exactement Kabylie.
Kabylie.
C'est comme les autochtones de l'Algérie.
Oh, ok, ok.
Les autochtones d'Algérie.
Oui, on a beaucoup de visiteurs qui viennent d'Algérie.
Okay.
Oui, c'est vraiment joli. Oui. Alors oui, on fait les bottes ici pour les fermiers, les travailleurs avec la peau de vache. On fait la couture tout le temps. Celui-ci, c'est pas encore fini. Mais on utilise les clous en bois. Tu parles français aussi? English?
He speaks French.
Oh, okay. We use wooden pegs to hold the shoes together. Alors, on met un clou carré dans un trou rond quand c'est mouillé, le bois gonfle et le cuir rapetisse quand ça sèche. So the wood swells and the leather shrinks when it dries. So that's all that holds the shoe together. It's because our client...
Oh, thank you.
Is it beads?
Yeah, it's beads.
Oh, okay. It's so bright-eyed, eh? A beaver was very, very sought after in the 1800s for hats in England. Il doit porter les capes d'acier.
Ah oui.
Alors, il porte seulement pour les événements spéciaux.
Ok.
Mais j'ai travaillé ici 25 années passées et on faisait pour les visiteurs
Ah ouais.
les souliers. Mais de la même façon, droite ni gauche, tout avec les clous en bois.
Ok, nice.
Ou pour les gants. Oui, et on avait les cochons ici aussi, mais ils ne prenaient pas leur peau dans le temps, ils seulement brûlaient les poils.
Ok.
This rim around this handle, and this handle there's wire, so we take wire like this, and then we kind of put around the edges, and that holds
And like, within a wire, is there like a kind of like wire for like the tin things?
So steel punches here.
Make it?
I'm sure. I'm not really. I'm kind of. This is the first thing I'm making without following a pattern. Like I made that watering can, but I followed one of the patterns on the wall. So.
Oh, you make that stuff?
Yeah.
So you guys are expected to actually produce during the day when you're working.
I mean,
Alors, ça, c'est le magasin général. Ici, on vend un produit.
Maxime, non.
Alors, on a les épices, les choses pour faire la linge, les vaisselles, un produit, toutes sortes de choses.
Alors. Ah, chaud.
Following the rivers north to Lower Canada, then up the St. Lawrence to make the moon ponds on land foot. Following the rivers north to Lower Canada, then up the St. Lawrence to make the moon ponds on land. On the far shore, rapide jusqu'à l'achèvement des travaux sur le premier système de canaux. vers le milieu du XIXe siècle, il fallait débarquer les personnes et les marchandises. As another international conflict, the War of 1812, began the à votre droite. Ce monument historique nous rappelle l'importance de la bataille. Set out by boat on the St. Lawrence from Lake Ontario. A much smaller British force followed every chance they got. When the Americans arrived at the Morning Sioux Rapids, they decided to go ashore and set up camp near Cook's Point and Tavern. Imagine the story. It was terrifying. Les forces britanniques avaient un désavantage numérique d'environ 3 points. Si les Anglais allaient se battre contre les Anglaises, ils devaient le faire à un endroit favorable. Et ils savaient que Lawrence Parks Commission was created. Today, the commission includes more than 7,000 acres of parkland and historical attractions. Now, everyone can enjoy Upper Canada. Sail into the Christ Park Marina. Tous profiter du Upper Canada Village et du Fort Henry à Kingston. Vous pouvez jouer une ronde.
Oh, vous avez l'idée.
Thank you.